Hi, Towson. My name is Kevin. I'm the executive chef at Black Gold Catering. Today we have Chad Warner with us, our executive chef from West Village, and we're demonstrating how to make some real basic chicken tacos today. So we're going to start with marinating some chicken, and then we're going to grill it off. We're going to make a basic corn salsa, and we've made a basic salsa verde as well. Those recipes will be provided for you. We're doing it with the chicken breast, so we'll just get right into the marinade. We'll put a little bit of oil. Cilantro, a lot of cilantro. People love cilantro. Salt, a little fresh garlic, a little bit of pepper. I'm gonna put a little chili powder, probably a little cumin in here as well. Right. And we're gonna zest a little bit of lime on here. Now we're just doing a quick marinade. We're not letting this sit too long. You have when you add citrus to chicken, it starts to cook it. I mean, for lack of a better term, nobody likes chicken ceviche. So just do a little quick marinade, and then we'll start putting some grill marks on it.
All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and lay the chicken breast down on the grill, and you want to hear that sear. That's when you know it's really gonna put a nice char on the breast. You're probably looking at 2 to 3 minutes per side. Once we flip it, we'll flip it back over again to put a crosshatch on it just for presentation purposes.
All right, so while we cook the chicken, we're gonna go ahead and mix up our corn salsa. So we've taken the corn, we've cooked it, we've cooled it, we've taken it off the cob, and we have it all in here. I like a lot of jalapeno. You can sort of also like eyeball this color-wise, see how much you like. We have some chopped red onion, some red peppers, a little bit of fresh garlic, salt and pepper. And then I have some more green onions, some scallions, and then we're chopping up some fresh cilantro. I'm going to juice a couple limes in there, and then we're going to hit it with a little bit of salt, pepper, and a little bit of oil, and then we'll just mix it all together. Okay, so now we're gonna put together the taco. We've got our warmed up tortilla shells. We have some green cabbage, and we have some queso fresco, which is a nice, just fresh white Mexican cheese that's really light, very easy for tacos. So we're just gonna take this mandolin, which makes it super thin slices. Just gotta be very careful with it. It's kind of dangerous, but if you keep your hand on top of it, it's not too bad. So we'll just mandolin some cabbage, and then we have all of our mise en place here, and then sort of layer in the ingredients that you want. This is the salsa verde that I talked about. I just put it right on the chicken there, and then we'll put a little bit of cabbage, our nice fresh beautiful corn salsa, and then you just crumble the cheese on top. We have a finished product also to see what it looks like, and then we're going to do everyone's favorite part of this demo is we're going to make a margarita. Chef's favorite part. All right, now it's the best time. It's margarita time. So go with the tacos. Whistle a little bit. So we made some margarita mix. Oh, wait, we're making it 2, so we'll tequila. And then if you want to make tequila, you want to make margarita chef style, then you just go tequila. Triple sec, Grand Marnier, orange flavored liqueur, Cointreau, any sort of orange in here. We're using triple sec, what most recipes are going to be. A little bit more ice, shaken, not stirred. Not a bartender, but It'll be all right. Pour this over ice. We have our salt-rimmed glass. Garnished with our lime wedge. And there's how you taco. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was helpful for you. Hope you enjoy some tacos. Try your different variations. Make it your own. That's the fun of cooking. So, till next time, cheers. Stay safe.
Cheers.
Cheers.